Happy 2023 to everybody out there. I hope the year has started off very well for you. Today we are going to do a shop with me at our local Canadian Tire. I am going to do some houseplant shopping. I have a very special reason for going shopping. I'm going to be reuniting with an old friend this week who I haven't seen in at least 15 years, a childhood friend. So I'm super excited. And I know that she's into houseplants, so I thought it would be fun to surprise her with a little houseplant. I'm going over to the mainland, Vancouver. Is an artist and she has a side hustle little company where she makes macrame plant hangers. So I was thinking possibly a Christmas cactus for her or some other trailing plant. Monkey mask. It looks like some kind of monstera. I've never heard it, but Monstera addisonii. That might be interesting, but I'm not sure if that's the one. This looks like a really cool hanging plant too. Not actually sure what it is. There's no tag, but I'm thinking this one might be. I love the texture of the leaves. The leaves are really cool. Ooh, there's a string of pearls. Now that's kind of exciting and very cool. I'm very tempted by these little plants. This plant here looks pretty cool too. I think that it might trail. It doesn't say what it is, so I can't really decide. I've got 3 very good options to consider. This is why plant shopping is a very dangerous thing for me to do, even if it's not for me, because I have a bit of a plant problem. Take a look at my cart. So these are some of the plants, not these ones, but these guys, and the Christmas cactus. I can't decide what to get my friend that I haven't seen in 15 years. I have a Hoya as an option. Hoya compacta. This unknown plant. Another unknown plant. Or the Christmas cactus. I know she already has a Christmas cactus. I don't know if she has more than one. So maybe I should eliminate that one. But I don't know how to choose between the other options. I am such a plant. I have such a plant problem for myself or others. It's a bit of an issue. I'm not going to get her 4 plants, but I might have to get more than one. We'll see. Sniffing out a toy, it looks like. Having a hard time deciding what he wants. So here is my final haul from Canadian Tire. We have some potting mix and seed starting mix for future projects coming soon. We've got 3 little houseplants. I have not yet decided if I'm going to keep any of these or if these are all going to be for my friend that I'm going to visit very soon. Time will tell. I have an unknown plant, a Hoya carnosa, and another unknown plant with gorgeous variegation. Kind of feels like a succulent. Orchid food for my orchids. I could not resist these in the clearance section for $1 for my outdoor garden. And some abretia, I think it's called, for my backyard slope that we just renovated. And these for you know who.